Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you some filters that you may have in your house that you might not be aware of that need cleaning. Come with me as I show you. The first one is in your refrigerator. You may have a fresh air filter that could use replacing, or a water filter. The next filter to show you is on a microwave. This one has two filters, one here and one here, but also there's one inside here. And if you haven't cleaned that one before, you're in for a treat. In your dishwasher, underneath, in here is another filter. This whole thing comes out and you rinse it out in the sink. In some cases, a water heater will have a filter. In this case, that filter is right here. Again, you just rinse it out in the water. Those of you with a dehumidifier, the dehumidifier will also have a filter. This one is right here. Again, it's rinsed out in the water. If you have an air purifier, you have to replace these filters. Finally, if you have forced air heating, you may have a filter that also needs replacing. The thing I wanted to show you is just to make sure that you are aware that whether there's air movement, oil movement, or water movement, there's probably a filter involved. If you can think of any others that are around your house typically that need replacing, comment it below. Also, if you'd like to see any of these replaced, comment below. Anyway, hope this was helpful. Please like, subscribe, and comment.